jeans, an old work shirt, a baseball cap that wears the dirt of years of tough work, stands the American farmer. Humble as a man you'll ever come across, lives by his words and knows the cost of how fast is won or lost. That's the American farmer. And no matter the rain, heat or snow, he wakes up before the break of dawn, works as hard as the day is long, and like a mother cares for a child, tend to his precious land. And ready those fields and sows the seeds, with his own two fists to fight the weeds, and wears his coat of sweat like it's some kind of armor. That's the American farmer. Yeah, come on. He's a gambler like none you've ever seen, lets it all ride on a field of dreams, and just prays for the strength to keep her going. An extension of God's own hands, handed down yet once again, and carries the torch and the plan of the American farmer. And no matter how late he lays down his head, he'll wake up before the break of dawn, work as hard as the day is long, and like a mother cares for a child, attend to his precious land. And ready those fields, sows the seeds, with his own two fists to fight the weeds, and wears his coat of sweat like it's some kind of armor. Oh, that's the American farmer. Let me hear you now. Well, he wakes up before the break of dawn, work as hard as the day is long, and like a mother cares for a child, attend to his borrowed land. And ready those fields and sows the seeds, with his own two fists to fight the weeds, and wears that coat of sweat like it's some kind of armor. Yeah, that's the American farmer. Hey, the American farmer. I'll give it up now.
He knows every stone that's been struck by the plow. There's a pile by the barn, by the sweat of his brow. The land has his heart and he rarely complains, and it holds his knees when he prays for rain. He's a dusty old car, hard and a light in the barn. He'll work the late hours and he's up before dawn. Every man has a story, and the story goes on, from a granddad's eyes to a newborn son. Why, farm is in my blood, like the sun that's on my skin. It's who I'm meant to be, it's who I've always been. It's more than just a living, it's my way of life, and it grows like seed inside my heart. That's why I farm. We always pulled through when we thought we would break. In the flood 93, in the drought 88. The Lord has His timing, 'cause only He knows that when next year comes, the crops will grow. Our farm is in my blood, like the sun that's on my skin. It's who I'm meant to be. It's who I've always been. It's more than just a living. It's my way of life, and it grows like seed inside my heart. That's why I farm. That's why I farm.
Though the world may shake around me, still I'm stable. As long as I'm able, I'll work this land. 'Cause when heaven comes this close to work, you hold it. 'Cause life is but a moment in a bigger plan.
Why I farm is in my blood, like the sun that's on my skin. It's who I'm meant to be. It's who I've always